video we will explain reseller recruitment stage. Traditionally, we have described the recruitment process in the same way as a direct selling cycle. You begin to canvass for prospects, qualify the prospects, propose solution, and then close. The steps now remain the same, but the emphasis changes. You have already seen that the steps in the qualification, the questions in the reseller analysis, in fact everything you have done this point forms the foundation for a relationship plan. By mapping your market with coverage analysis and designing your channel, you have developed a fairly detailed idea of your goals for that reseller. By performing reseller analysis, you have already identified issues with a prospect, and more importantly outlined ways in which you can improve the partner's position. Now you use what you have learned in the previous steps to develop the proposal. The proposal leads into joint planning process. The close is in this case the development of the relationship plan and mutual agreement to execute it. The value proposition, simple considering the makeup and size of your markets, you will probably agree that it is unlikely that many of your partners could succeed with volume model. This is especially true considering the new vendor-driven telesales or e-commerce motions which cut into this same volume market. For most resellers, the value model is therefore a much more likely formula for success. It is your role as a partner to help your reseller define a clear position in the market. In developing a value proposition, your reseller, and therefore you must be aware of the sustainability of any advantage. In this sustainability of strategic or tactical advantages which will allow your partners to survive. Let's see the sustainability chart. Let's a detailed proposition outlining our tailored program proposal to the reseller, education requirements, proposed content and schedule, press release of partnership. A statement of target market and accounts. A program and schedule of lead generation programs for those accounts. A detailed list of products required for demonstration and price for this equipment. An explanation of the partner pack program. A promise and listing of initial promotional materials. An overview of product discounts. Why a plan? Once the proposal is submitted, it should be followed up aggressively. Every proposal should be accompanied with a schedule for a follow-up meetings, and every proposal should be presented directly to decision makers. A mutually agreed, detailed plan serves many purposes. Possibly most importantly, it sets expectations by which to judge the progress of the relationship. It serves as a roadmap for activity, both your company's and the partner's side. It outlines partnership priorities. It defines required investments of time, people, and money for both partners. We must make it understood that for our company, the partnership plan is a statement of commitment and map for resource allocations. The only way to effectively communicate this message is by living the plan, carrying out the defined action items, monitoring, and adjusting. Now see the chart who is doing what. Account analysis should be complete by the account manager and reviewed by the division manager to formulate partner objectives and strategies and in line with our objectives and strategies. The statement of account objectives should be completed by account manager and reviewed by division manager. This is a wish list from our perspective. It should provide a clear message of why we want partnership and what we expect from the partnership. Market expansion plan should be completed by the partners before the planning session. We should review the plan carefully and develop an outline of our role in executing the plan. Market program plan should be also developed by the partner. The planning session should always be off-site, in a neutral location. The session will take the form of an in-depth discussion based on the above formats with the goal of developing a mutually agreeable marketing expansion plan and market program plan jointly. Monthly and quarterly review process should be done by each party.